Now what we're going to do is called pushing the earth. And we're going to make sure that our muscles get really, really strong. So everybody take your hands and put them on the earth. And everybody knows what the earth is, right? That's our planet that we live on. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a big breath in. And when you breathe out, I want you to bend your arms and push into the earth as hard as you can. You're going to feel your arms start to shake. You may feel like your muscles are getting stronger. This is called isometric tension. That's a big word for you guys, but that's okay. So everybody have your fingers open like this. We're going to take a big belly breath in. Breathe in. Look down towards the ground. Bend your arms and push into the earth. Push, 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 and relax. Good job. Did you guys feel that earth moving? Awesome. Ready? Let's do it one more time. So everybody take a big belly breath in and breathe in. And push into the earth as hard as you can. Push, push, push the ground. Push, 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 and relax. Whoa, did you guys feel that earth move? I think we can try this one more time. We can move the whole entire planet, everybody together. Ready? Take one hand, put it nice and strong. Take the other hand, put it nice and strong. Everybody take a deep breath in. And everybody push the earth and push as hard as you can and feel your muscles shaking. I feel the ground moving. I feel the moving ground. It's so awesome. Oh my goodness, you guys moved the earth. Good job. Do you feel your muscles got stronger? Awesome. Go drink some water. High five.